We're creating a completely free-raised garden bed, using only the materials available in our own garden. Nothing will be purchased for this project, so the entire build costs us 0 rupees. Let's begin step by step. First, prepare the spot where the bed will be made. Clear away weeds, stones, and anything else that might disturb the shape of the bed. A clean and leveled space makes the work easier and helps the bed stay stable. Once the area is ready, mark the shape and size of your bed. You can choose any size according to your space, but here we are, making a round bed. Now, bring out the old bamboo sticks we used last year for trellises. Instead of throwing them away, we'll reuse them to build the outer wall of the bed. Place the bamboo pieces along the marked circle and push them a little into the soil so they stand firmly. Next, we will create a smaller circle in the center using the same bamboo. This inner circle will play a special role later, but for now, just arrange and secure it the same way as the outer circle. When both circles are set, take some rope and tie the bamboo sticks together along the outer ring. Wrap the rope tightly so the frame becomes strong enough to hold soil. Repeat this step for the inner circle as well. After tying both circles, the basic structure of the raised bed is complete and sturdy. Now, line the inside of the bamboo frame. For this, we'll use old, food-grade sacks, rice bags, flour bags, or any clean sacks you have available. Cut them open if needed and place them along the inside of the bamboo to block the gaps. These bags will hold the soil inside, prevent it from spilling out, keep the bed neat, and help retain moisture. Once the lining is done, start adding soil. Use any soil mix suitable for your plants. Here, we're using simple garden soil because it works well and is easily available. Add some soil, then sprinkle a bit of bone meal and neem cake. These natural ingredients provide nutrients, improve soil health, and protect plants from pests. After that, continue filling the bed with more soil until it reaches the level you want. Now it's time to explain the purpose of the small circle in the middle. This inner space will act as an active composting system. Add kitchen waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, tea leaves, and other biodegradable materials into the central area. To speed up decomposition, sprinkle some ready compost on top. This compost introduces beneficial microbes that break down the waste faster. As the waste decomposes, it slowly releases nutrients into the surrounding soil, naturally feeding the plants and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. After setting up the composting center, add a thick layer of compost over the top of the entire bed. This top layer works like a nutrient-rich blanket and creates a perfect environment for seeds and young plants. Spread the compost evenly across the surface. Finally, gently mix the top few inches of soil so the compost and other amendments blend properly. This helps distribute nutrients throughout the bed. And with that, your completely free-raised garden bed is ready. Using old materials, natural soil, and homemade compost, you now have an eco-friendly and productive growing space.